Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I will show you on how to simply find your forgotten password in Chrome Beta. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome Beta. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Chrome Beta. The next thing you need to do is to click on this particular icon right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to password. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and check on any website password you forgot. So let's, for instance, I'm going to simply click on here. Then you have access back to your password right here. And what you need to do is to simply click on this eye icon right here to fill the password, or better still, click on here to copy the password. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.